In this set of concept notes, we will be looking at reference angles, and we need to remember that a reference angle has to do with the x-axis only. So notice that we're dealing with the x-axis. When we drop a perpendicular, we're looking at the x-axis only, and how far or how many degrees is our angle from the nearest x-axis. So every time we look at a reference angle, we're always dealing with how far am I from the next x-axis. Let's take a look at number 36. I go ahead and put my initial side of my angle, and then 135, so I know I go 90, 135, I'm over in this quadrant. Now what we're going to do is drop a perpendicular to the x-axis. Here's my right angle, and the angle I'm looking for is right here. That's my reference angle. So I am nearest to 180, so I'm going to take 180, subtract 135, and I get 45 degrees. That is my reference angle. Go ahead, pause, and try number 37. So 37, we're going to start with our initial side. Always start there. It is positive 650, so what I'm going to do is start on the initial side, go around 360, and if I look at 650 minus 360, if I made it all the way around, I would still have 290 degrees left. So let's go ahead, 290, go all the way around. This is 270, 290, so we're about right here. Then again, we're going to go ahead and drop that perpendicular, and we're going to the x-axis. So from here, we drop this perpendicular. It is 90 degrees here, so our angle is between the x-axis and our terminal side. So this angle right here. I'll look and see how far that is. So we are almost to the x-axis, and that's at 360. So what is 360 minus 290? Go ahead and subtract those. When we get 70 degrees is our reference angle. That's the angle right in here. So go ahead and do number 38 for homework, and we're going to go ahead and look at the next problem. Let's go down here to number 39. And this time we have negative angles. So I'm still starting at the initial side on the x-axis, and I'm going to go negative. So I go negative 90, 160 is over here. Again, we go ahead to the nearest x-axis. We drop the perpendicular right here. And then we're looking at this angle. So this angle right here, what is it? So I'm closest to 180, so 180 minus 160 gives me a 20-degree reference angle. So the angle inside here is 20 degrees. Go ahead, pause the video, and try number 40. Okay, let's start it again. So we're starting here at the initial side, always on the positive x-axis, and we're going to go negative. So I go negative 360. So let's see, 10, 20 minus 360. Let's see how far we have to go. So I subtract that, I get 660 left. So, okay, let's go one more time around. So subtract 360 from that, and I get 300 degrees. So from here, I go 270, 300. So I am over on this side. And I need to figure out what's the reference angle. So go ahead, take that perpendicular, drop it right to the x-axis. There's our perpendicular, and our angle is right here between the x and our terminal side. So here's our terminal side. Here's our initial. What is this angle right here? Well, I'm at 300. I have the x-axis is 360. So 360 minus 300, and my angle in here is a 60-degree angle. Go ahead and do number 41 for homework, and we'll have a separate video for the radians.